So it's just happened. We are busy traveling, and I just hit my 3rd million. We are on holiday, and I just hit my 3rd million. 10 months in on digital marketing. My friend, if you do not believe in this yet, then I don't know what is going to make you believe. This is utterly insane. I'm on holiday. I'm making memories with my children. My business is working for me. And I just made my 3rd million in 10 months. My friend, this is where the magic's at. This is what we've been praying for. I am so grateful to Michelle O'Neill for this, for your training, for your mindset training, for the healing, for the beautiful community. I am so grateful to God for blessing me, for blessing my children. My beautiful children will never have to suffer, and for that I'm grateful for. My beautiful boy, my little snooky Nunu Kaylee saying, "No, good morning." And this is what has utterly changed my life. If you want to find out what this can do for your life and how this can utterly change yours in the most radical way that you could have ever imagined, drop a yes in the comments, and it would be my biggest pleasure to share this opportunity with you. It's going to change your life. Have yourself a beautiful, blessed day. Take care. Cheers. Bye.